like I said, before that, my father had a restaurant on the north side of Birmingham. He started in 1963. And then, unfortunately, he passed away in 1972. I took it over and ran it till 1995, and I came here. And this just blossomed, came out really nice. David has been a great person to take over for me. I didn't know, I don't have any kids around here, so David's done great.
Now it's gone international. Now people are watching you from around the world, from Africa. This is just great.
Well, it is. This is my first time eating African food. I don't know anything about it. I just like lamb, so I got lamb. We're going to enjoy this.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck. Thanks a lot. Have a good stay and a good time.
Thank you.
No, they don't want to be trained to do it.
They don't want to open on this kind of Italian. They're Mahana. They got their open on Mahana. Yeah.
Anda caber, pues. Una pura isla.
But now, I would like you to explain what happened. So we need